some. Ow! So spicy. I need some water. Let's fun with Affan. Guys, it's your boy Affan, and then we're making in cookies, and then we need some these roll peppers. We buy it from the store. I made it. And then we need some roll papers. So we can drops. And then we need some just more roll papers. And then some more papers. And then some more.
Where's that white stuff?
This one is mayonnaise.
This one is mayonnaise.
Yes.
And where's this thing?
This one is roll pepper.
Yellow paper?
Yeah. This one is Ritz biscuits.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put some more good things. So she's gonna melt. We just put one. And some more little papers. Okay. And then we need some cucumbers because we can be so sweet. Okay. Cucumbers are what? Pink. Well, I picked the wrong one. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, right? No, we don't have more cucumbers. Okay, that's okay. And then we got some onions because he goes so spicy. Onion. Okay. Oh. No, get spicy. What's happening with my mayonnaise? Okay. We need some tortillas because we cannot eat some tortillas. Okay, let's get started. Yes. And then we need some tomatoes. Looks like it's watermelon.
Yeah.
Yes. Whoa. There is some cute. What's going on here? This tomato. And then we buy it from the tortillas. And then we got this thingy. I don't know what's it called. We don't need some 2 onions. Now it's so freeze. Put them. And then it's done. Look at that. And then let's put some. Okay. What's going on? This thing is. Okay, let's eat it.
How does it taste like?
Logan cake.
What?
Logan cake.
Sorry?
Logan cake.
So here is Affan's recipe, right?
Yeah.
He made it with Ritz, his favorite biscuit.
Okay. That is so spicy. And then Ow! It's so spicy. I need some water. Okay. This is so good. Let's go. And then